Hello eco-warriors! We're diving into the world of conscious cleaning, exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. Carpets play a significant role in keeping our homes clean and fresh, adding comfort and warmth to our living spaces. However, they are also prone to stains and spills, especially in high-traffic areas. Stains on your carpets can be a real eyesore, whether it's a wine spill during a party or a coffee mishap in the morning rush. Fear not, though, because this comprehensive guide will delve into the world of stain removal techniques for carpets. Say goodbye to unsightly blemishes and hello to a spotless and beautiful carpet. Understanding different carpet stains. Before we jump into the cleaning methods, it's essential to understand the different types of stains you might encounter. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe to watch more. Food and beverage stains. Accidents happen, and food or beverage spills on carpets are among the most common. Whether it's spaghetti sauce, red wine, or coffee, addressing these stains promptly is crucial. Pet stains. Pet owners know that accidents can occur, too. Urine, feces, and vomit stains can be a challenge, but they can be effectively treated with the right techniques. Oil and grease stains. Oil and grease stains, often caused by cooking mishaps or tracking in dirt from outside, require special attention to prevent them from setting permanently. Ink stains. Ink stains from pens, markers, or printers can be stubborn, but you can minimize their impact with the right approach. Mud and dirt stains. Mud and dirt stains are common in homes with active families or during rainy seasons. These stains can be handled with a few simple steps. Stains on your carpets don't have to be a source of stress and frustration. You can keep your carpets looking fresh and beautiful with the right stain removal techniques and some preventive measures. Remember to act quickly, choose the appropriate cleaning method for the type of stain, and don't forget the importance of regular maintenance. A clean and stain-free carpet can significantly enhance the overall aesthetics of your home, making it a more comfortable and inviting space for you and your family. Say goodbye to those stubborn stains and enjoy the beauty of your carpeted floors. Like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.